You've probably been there, sitting in front of your screen, brainstorming ideas, wondering how to churn out content quickly without it feeling like a huge grind. Well, this is your ordinary world. It's the day-to-day of trying to stay relevant on social media, posting without a clear strategy, and ultimately feeling stuck in the process. But don't worry, because we're about to embark on an adventure that will change the way you create content forever. One day, while scrolling through social media, you come across a video, a powerful, engaging piece of content that gets views, likes, and shares like wildfire. And that's when the realization hits you. There's a way to post more with less effort. You're ready for something big. You've got the drive, the passion, and now you're ready to scale up your content creation. But how? Well, this is where the adventure begins, my friend. Here's the game-changing part. This isn't a solo journey. You have a guide, the ultimate content tool, Canva. With Canva's bulk creation feature, you'll have the power to produce dozens of videos in no time. Just like how Hiccup discovered dragons weren't his enemies, you'll discover how easy it is to streamline your workflow, automate your posts, and create a scalable system. This is your mentor guiding you to break free from content overwhelm. Now, the real fun begins. This is where you step away from the conventional methods. You know the struggle of staring at a blank screen trying to think of the next big idea, but now you're about to break free. You'll begin by creating a 60-second video, a simple yet powerful format that hooks viewers immediately. You're no longer stuck in the same old routine of slow content creation. This video structure is your ticket to the fast lane. It's time for the first test. You add dynamic visuals, not just static backgrounds. Instead of the usual bland white screen, you find a beautiful beach sunset, a background that matches your content's vibe. It's not easy at first, figuring out the right music and the perfect font to make your text pop. But as you fine-tune every detail, you begin to see the magic unfold. You're realizing that every small detail matters in making your content stand out. The next step is where things get serious. You're adding music to your video. Not just any music, but something that resonates with your audience. You're about to unlock the true power of emotion in your content. Your video is coming together, and with every tweak, you're getting closer to the ultimate reveal. Content that grabs attention and sparks engagement. But then, you hit a bump in the road. Maybe the visuals are off, or the timing isn't syncing well with the music. The stakes are high. Will you be able to pull it all together? This is your crisis point where the challenge seems daunting. But fear not. You have the tools and the mindset to push through. You make it through, and the treasure is worth it. You realize the true power of automation, bulk creation. Your treasure is the realization that you can scale your content creation effortlessly. You can now generate 30 videos with a few clicks, each one packed with unique, valuable facts that will captivate your audience. The results are immediate. You download your 30 videos and upload them across multiple platforms. You're no longer posting one video at a time. You've automated the process, and now your content is reaching a massive audience on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. This is your victory. Scalable content creation made simple. But there's more. You now return to your world of content creation, but it's not the same. You've leveled up. You've got the system in place. You no longer have to grind to create every single video. Now you have a method that lets you scale without feeling overwhelmed. Your content is growing, your engagement is skyrocketing, and you're monetizing your effort. You've turned a small, manageable process into a revenue-generating machine. You found your place in the world of content creation, and it's better than ever. You're now the content creator you always dreamed of being. You've automated the process, scaled up, and found a way to make it all work. You've transformed from someone who struggled with creating content into a force to be reckoned with. Now the world sees your value. You've achieved balance, and your content creation journey is a success.